Good morning. I am Dr. Rajen Prasad. I am Director Medical Education, Eras Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow, and Professor and Head Pulmonary Medicine. I have been former Director, Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, and I have worked for many years in King George's Medical University, Department of Pulmonary Medicine. Today, what I am going to share with you that what should be the diet of patients of tuberculosis. When I talk about tuberculosis, you might have seen many of my lectures on YouTube. Some of you might heard me that TB is 100% curable disease, provided adequate treatment is prescribed and it is taken also. Only prescription will not help. But unfortunately, more than 1200 to 1300 patients die every day with tuberculosis. If you talk in a year, around 4 lakh patients they die with tuberculosis in this country. And reason being that they are not taking the drugs properly, regularly, or sometimes they have not been prescribed the drugs well. सो आज इस बैकग्राउंड पर अब सवाल ये है कि खाना क्या खाएं. फूड इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, डाइट इज आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. टू एज यू आई ऑलवेज से you have to eat balanced diet which comprised of adequate amount of protein, carbohydrates and fats. It may be a vegetarian diet, it may be non-vegetarian diet. Many of my patients, they persistently ask me, sir, can I eat meat, fish, कलेजी, हिंदी में बात करते हैं. तो and one of the patient I still remember, they say that, sir, I have been purely vegetarian and now some doctors are saying to me that you convert to the non-vegetarian. So I want to very emphatically, very clearly say that if you are a vegetarian, there is no need to become non-vegetarian. The egg, fish, meat is not essential. If your diet, even if a vegetarian diet is good, if you take a balanced diet, you mean not to change to the non-vegetarian. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ, भाई मैं ऐसा पाप नहीं करूँगा मरीजों को ऐसा करा के. ठीक है, हमारा जो देश है वो वेजिटेरियन ग्रुप का है, ज़्यादा लोग वेजिटेरियन खाना खाते हैं. तो मैं कहना ये चाहता हूँ कि वेजिटेरियन फूड सफिशिएंट है, लेकिन सही मात्रा में लिया जाए, सही कॉम्बिनेशन में लिया जाए. तो अब सही खाना क्या होता है? सही खाने का डेफिनेशन ये है कि आप जो है खाने को ताज़ा खाएं. खाने के अंदर आपके दाल, चावल, सब्जी का मिक्सचर होना चाहिए. दूध, दही खा सकते हैं. अक्सर लोग दूध नहीं खा, खांसी आएगी, ये सब भ्रांतियाँ हैं. तो फ्रेश फूड खाइए, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खूब खाइए. फ्रूट्स, जो मौसमी फ्रूट, अब फ्रूट्स में कोई ज़रूरी नहीं आप बहुत महंगे फ्रूट्स खाएं. जो एक नियम समझ लीजिए, फ्रूट्स खाने का नियम, रूल फॉर टेकिंग फ्रूट्स इज दैट वॉट एवर fruits are available in a particular season, God has made these fruits like that. Although today every fruit is available in every season, but you know that which fruits are seasonal. Any seasonal fruit you may choose. Only thing you have to remember that if you have, apart from tuberculosis, you have also diabetes, then those fruits which have good amount of sugar, means जो मीठे बहुत होते हैं, sweet, that probably you have to either avoid it or eat less, and that will depend upon, you ask about the doctor who is treating diabetes, what should be the diet, you have to stay with it. There is another question comes to me, I have seen many patients where TB has not been, they have not responded to the to good TB treatment because their doctors, someone has advised, although they have diabetes, so someone has advised have a very good food. So that is a myth. So first diabetes has to be controlled, then tuberculosis will be controlled. If diabetes remains uncontrolled and if your diet is not good, if you are taking so much of extra diet, then probably your diabetes will not be controlled and TB will also not be controlled. So that point one has to take care. If you have a diabetes, in whatever food you are taking, take those foods keeping in mind that you have a diabetes. Not that for TB you have to eat excess, so will eat. So that is another point. There is one more point. You have to eat in time. Your irregular habits of eating should go. You take breakfast, morning, lunch around 1, then uh, evening tea, and then finally you have to take dinner. Dinner, usually we say that it should be taken at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to the bed, go to the sleep. So what I am trying to say, for TB patients, nothing is specific diet. A good diet is essential. Nutritious diet is essential, in which I have already told you all the diets you may take. Only the diabetes patient who have also diabetes, they have to take care. And if you eat like this and if you consume the drugs regularly, I'm sure with my previous experience, I have treated lakhs and lakhs of patients of tuberculosis in my more than 4 decades of clinical practice in pulmonary medicine. You are 100% chance that your TB will be cured. Thank you very much.